Labconco's controlled atmosphere glove boxes deliver the highest level of protection and precision for your most sensitive applications. Both Precise and Protector models are engineered to maintain extremely low levels of oxygen and moisture, essential for many research and manufacturing processes. The Protector-controlled atmosphere glove box is built for applications requiring the utmost control of atmospheric internal conditions. With factory-tested leak-tight construction and the optional Atmos-Pure Regen gas purifier, it can achieve oxygen levels as low as 0.2 ppm and moisture levels as low as 1 ppm. It exceeds Class 1 atmosphere containment standards with superior low oxygen permeation rates. The optional auto pressure controller makes it easy to establish and maintain a controlled environment and ensures optimal conditions by monitoring and controlling pressure levels. The well-illuminated interior and large-angled laminated safety glass window provide excellent visibility, enhancing user comfort and efficiency. Protector models include either a fiberglass or stainless steel liner for a smooth, chemical-resistant surface that is easy to clean. A spacious transfer chamber and ergonomic design allow for convenient transfer and handling of materials. The Precise controlled atmosphere glove box, made from medium-density polyethylene, combines durability with effective chemical resistance. The automatic pressure controller provides precise control of the interior environment, maintaining oxygen levels as low as 5 ppm and moisture levels as low as 50 ppm. Both models offer a wide range of customization options and accessories to meet your specific needs, ensuring the flexibility required for various applications. The stainless steel Protector model can be customized with a left side door, multiple pass-throughs, a double-wide body, and other options to fit your needs. Optional Atmos-Pure and Atmosense systems add even more capability and control. With Labconco's commitment to quality and innovation, you can be sure your controlled atmosphere glove boxes meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. Learn more at labconco.com/glovebox.